on the well test. So why we need to do well test? Well behavior ni basically dia macam keep changing over the time tau. So because of that, we need to measure each of individual well punya parameter ataupun karakter lah. For doing that, usually we take around 1 month punya period lah to measure each well punya performance. So the activity we call it well testing. Okay, so we will measure the total component of flow rate of each well. So during that period juga, we also will monitor every well punya spec ataupun karakter lah. For example, the sand content on in the oil, and also the water cut of the oil well. So this activity is basically being done on monthly basis, be it from the well testing activity, and then also the sampling activity for the sand determination, also the water cut determination. Okay, so I dah beritahu tadi what the well test ni buat is basically dia akan measure the flow rate of oil, gas, and also water in the from the well. So from there, the data tu will be used for our usually itulah petroleum engineers counterpart like PTEC, also RE, to determine the character ataupun to determine the performance or character of the subsurface. So they really need the well test data so that it can be used for their petroleum ataupun subsurface punya studies lah, to come up with modeling and also prediction on the well performance. Okay, so for well test ni, typically we have two types of method to do well test. So the first one is test separator. So test separator ni basically configuration dia is just a normal punya production separator where we separate. Dia depends lah, tengok kalau two phase separator, dia two phase separator, dia three phase separator. So if two phase separator at the gas and also liquid outlet, we will have the macam metering dia jugalah. Contoh kalau macam ni liquid, dekat liquid outlet ni we will have the pyrolysis heater, and then at the gas outlet we will have OP or USM. Usually we use OP lah for test set. So we will have this meter at every phase fluid punya outlet in order for us to measure the flow rate, pressure, and also temperature for each of these well punya well punya phases. So test separator ni memang banyak digunakan, memang boleh kata conventional. We are using test separator as our well test because dia banyak benefit dia lah. For example, one of the example is the reading yang dia bagi tu quite stable, and also it is not complicated. Tapi the cost dia ialah it require big footprint ataupun big space in order for us to put in a platform. So usually kalau macam the platform have the luxury to have the space yang luas, then we will go for test separator lah for the well test. So another type of well test is MPFM, multi-phase flow meter. So for this one, usually lah kalau yang MPFM ni, we relate to radioactive punya MPFM lah, where macam mana kata, the fluid will be go into the MPFM, where macam MPFM tu dah macam so-called clamp lah, the pipe tu, and then dia boleh detect tau berapa liquid, berapa berapa oil, berapa water, berapa gas, using the radioactive tu in order to determine the flow rate of the well punya well flow rate tadi lah. So maknanya macam tadi kita separate dulu. Kita separate dulu the phases gas dengan liquid ni, baru kita tahu measurement dia. Tapi kalau yang ni the fluid tu lalu je dekat dalam APFM tu, then the APFM can determine what is the flow rate of each gas, liquid, gas, oil and also water based on the radioaktif punya ni lah. So boleh kata dia akan guna lesser footprint compared to test separator. Sebab dia memang kecil, dia memang kecil je. Dia memang kecil je. Tapi yelah, sis kita bermain dengan teknologi ataupun banyak instrumentation ni. So kadang-kadang dia punya reading tu tak stable lah. So banyak benda yang kita nak kena buat in order to get a accurate and good result from our well test. So pros dia ialah dia makan space sikit, tapi cost dia very complex and agak leceh. And also banyak maintenance nak kena buat for the APFM ni. So during design stage, this determination for what type of well test technology is very crucial before we go for development punya vessel.